Puff! Yo, got one on the frog. Got him. Like, that's a 3, maybe. That's a good fish. Nice fish. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today I am back in Austin doing a little pond hopping. It's a little too rough to take the boat out on the lake today, so I'm back at these ponds I fished in my last episode. I got Huff with me in the background if you can see him, but we got some frogs, some swim baits, some different stuff, and we're gonna hit a few different spots in Austin, and hopefully we will catch a big old bass today. So you guys just stay tuned and see what happens. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start off with my little popping frog today. Had a big temperature drop. It's got to be like 60, 65 degrees right now. But we got Tropical Storm Beta kind of rolling through the area. And we're hoping that the bite's going to be pretty good today. So we were thinking that fishing's probably going to be pretty good, but we're just going to have to see what happens. No frog action. Sad. Wacky rig time. There we go. Little guy. Just micro fish. Not what we're looking for today, but gotta start with something. Okay, good sign. Something's eating in here. Oh, I got hit again. I thought. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything's very active in here right now. I don't know what I'm doing with the camera. I messed up, but literally, I know that there's, oh, there he goes. There's little guys like right by the bank, so I thought I might just throw and see if anything follows in. I wonder if I can do that again, because there were like 3 that went after it right there. Oh yeah, there's fish all over it. Okay, look at the bluegill. Now you see how many bluegill are in here? Nice. There we go. That might get bit right there. Oh, I just got thumped. Good fish. Or a turtle. Oh, it's a good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Let's go. Like, that's a 3, maybe. That's a good fish. That was a thump. Ooh. Hook popped out. Okay, chill, bro. Chill. I broke it? Yep. No, it's not. Look, he's been hooked before. There's like a brim hook. Oh, that's a good fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. Bro. All right, so now what?
Your other one was bigger.
Hey, it was. They're healthy though.
They are.
Dude, I mean,
what they eat.
thumped. All right. I'm gonna let big guy go here.
He fought so good.
He did. He's kind of like dead weight. I really thought it was a turtle. See, dude. Look at that. See, there's healthy ones in here. Hey, they're healthy enough to eat the swim baits.
Yeah, he would eat.
Now I gotta figure out what just happened to my line. No, I got my hook. But that fish didn't want a frog. So, I mean, we covered that area many times. All right. Actually, I might have to. Oh, yeah. Time for fall. Breaking out the pumpkin. Breaking out the green pumpkin spice. Little PSL pumpkin spice latte going in here. No way. Did you get hit though? I love urban bank fishing in cool spots like this. Just show you all the, got the skyline right there. Look at that building. That's nuts. And I'm over here catching healthy 2-pound bass. It's hard to beat that, honestly. You gonna get the skunk off?
Yeah.
I'll throw the spinner bait. While this rain's going, I will. All right, Huff's gonna get rid of the skunk. We'll probably catch a freaking 5-pounder. Stuck him. That's a good one, huh? No. I was like, oh my gosh. I thought you had a monster.
No, it's just my awkwardness.
But he's better than the first one. You're in second place. Look at that. That's what the Yum Dinger, the wacky rig gets you. It gets you a fish so that you can just focus on. That's what I'm saying, like they're healthy. Uh-oh. I got pliers if you need them. But that's what I was saying is like they're really healthy for such a small pond.
So fat.
I think that there's just like not. Oh, he's round. Oh my gosh. All right, time to move.
Nice. Skunks out.
No more skunks. Now we can just focus on absolute monsters. New spot looks amazing. I'm ready. Oh, dude, look at this, look at this. Oh, it's a turtle. Never mind. I was like, what the? I guess I'll roll the GoPro for a bit and then I might have to turn it off to just save power today. There's fish. Good sign.
All right, they're here.
Good sign, they're here. And they're hungry. Little guy. Oh, little blood there.
You handle that. I'm gonna throw the big one.
Because you've seen me catch a fish. Oh, gosh. All right, guys, well, with that, probably gonna cut the camera off to save battery and memory. But I'll flip it on as fast as I can. I'll probably cut it on if I'm throwing topwater or anything like that. Just got a nice one on the buzzbait, man.
He's dogging me.
Oh, that's a big one. That's big. Woo! Woo!
Are you kidding me?
What? Do you want to wait?
Are you kidding me?
What is that?
2 pounds?
I'd say high 2s or close to 3.
Dude, these fish are fired up.
All right, well, I'm throwing the spinner bait.
Are you kidding me?
That's insane. It's insane.
Yeah. What?
Look at that.
That's crazy.
That's nuts.
That fish dogged me.
I'm pumped.
What just happened?
You caught a fish on your new favorite lure. That's what happened. Was that along the wall?
It was kind of out. Like I could see bait bust like getting out of the way.
Right.
That was instant. You see the bait kind of moving?
Yeah, I did see
There's a
that.
lot of bait.
Oh, making it tough on me.
That was ferocious.
Yeah. Yeah, it's bad. Eat my frog. Puff! Yeah, I think he's big. He got me tangled. He got me tangled. Dang, I lost him. Golly. Man. Oh, I didn't bring any worms over here. Man, that was a good fish.
Especially if the weather's gonna die down. Just tile something new and get to go.
Oh, I just got smoked. Oh,
The crow scared the
oh,
hell
it's still got it.
out of me. How's it going?
He hit it though. Oh no, oh no. He ain't bad. I mean, he ain't a keeper.
I feel like you're about to do damage on this freaking worm.
I do too. I mean, like the hit I had down there. I mean, honestly, I can't tell you what the fish was like. This little chunk here. But I mean, he felt good when he was still in his pads.
Okay, so that fish I caught on the buzzbait,
Yeah.
2-pound fish, like really good fish, but like he felt like he was 10 pounds. The way he was fighting.
I thought
if I
it
would
was
have been
at
able to
least,
see him the whole time, like
yeah. I thought that fish was at least 3.
these fish are just strong, man.
All right, I switched over to a weightless Yum Dinger on Texas rig. I think this might do the trick here. As long as I can make some, oh, you saw that cast? Got one. Big hook set on a little fish. A baby. It's just a baby. It's all right. It's a fish though. The new rig works. Definitely just gave myself another bruise. Oh, got one on the frog. Got him. No, no. No. Yeah. Oh man. Golly, that one missed it. I don't know. I think it was pretty good. Dude, I didn't have the camera on and he missed and I like stopped and I was like, I ate it again. Oh, oh, Huff. How big? I'm coming. Actually, he's fat. I mean, it's not a bad fish. Not bad. Good fish. There he goes. Dude, that frog bite. Oh man. I was twitching it and it hit that second time and I looked and like my frog was just nowhere to be seen. I do too. All right, we're done. Give it a good try. Good pond though. All right guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. So I feel like this didn't make it into the video as much as I thought it would, but we got absolutely abused by Tropical Storm Beta. Like, we kind of thought, I mean, we knew it was gonna rain and stuff, but there were some periods of time where it was just horrible. And we were freezing cold, it was rough, but the fishing, it was good. And that place was so cool that we went to, that second park. I mean, we just powered through. I had looked on like the FishBrain app and there'd been some like 8-pounders logged in there. And I was like, man, this is definitely worth it if we catch a big fish. So yeah, we had a really good time out there, even though it was miserable at times. But yeah, and going off the Hurricane Beta, I'm sorry, towards the end, like my camera was covered in water and I would normally wipe it off if like a fish splashed on or something, but there's no way I could keep water off the lens whenever it was just absolutely dumping on us out there. So I'm sorry about that. But if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, go like the video for me, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see in future videos, say hey to me, ask me a question, and I can get back with you on that. And most importantly, guys, subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. That's the biggest way you can help me out, and that way you won't miss any content I'm putting out there. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And with all that being said, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.